In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search and find pages in Confluence. First, open Confluence and sign in so you're working in your organization space. If you have access to multiple sites, double check you're in the right one before you start. Being logged in ensures you'll see content that matches your permissions, which can affect what shows up in search. Once you're on the home page or any page, look for the search field at the top of the screen or the magnifying glass icon. Click it to activate the search panel. This field is your starting point for everything from quick lookups to broader research across spaces, pages, blog posts, and attachments. Begin typing a keyword, a page title, or a phrase related to what you need. Start broad if you're not sure of the exact title, then narrow down. Try using the product name, project code, or a distinctive term that would likely appear on the page. If you remember a specific phrase, put it in quotes to look for that exact wording. As you type, you may see suggestions. These can be a fast way to jump straight to likely matches. Press enter to open the full results page. Here, you'll see a list of matches with snippets that highlight where your terms appear. This page is designed to help you scan quickly. If the top results aren't perfect, don't worry. This is where filters make a big difference. Use the filters to focus your results. Limit by space if you know the team or project where the page lives. Filter by author when you remember who wrote or maintains the content. Narrow by date if you're looking for something recent or want to exclude older, outdated pages. You can also choose a content type like pages, blog posts, or attachments to zero in on exactly what you want. If needed, sort by relevance or by date to bring the newest or most likely matches to the top. When you spot a promising result, click it to open the page. Skim the headings and key sections to confirm it's the right content. If you're comparing a few options, opening them in new tabs can save time and help you decide which one best fits your needs. If you don't find the correct page right away, refine your search. Adjust your keywords, try a different phrase, remove any overly strict filters, or switch to a broader space. Check for typos and experiment with more specific or more general terms until the results align with what you're expecting. That's it. Now you can confidently search, filter, and find exactly what you need in Confluence.